Hey, this is Dan with Honeyman Always, and today we are at Sandals St Vincent Resort. Now, we were invited to come here for the S.T.A.R Awards, which is an annual event for travel agents. It's for the best of the best travel agents that support Sandals Resorts. Unfortunately, by the time we got the invitation, Michelle already had committed to go to an art retreat in Portugal, so that's where she's at. But I'm here, and I'm gonna give you a sneak peek today of the resort, and then we'll do our full video tour that we usually do as our next video. But the main reason why I want to put this video out quickly is because we have a promotion that any Sandals travel agent that is at S.T.A.R Awards can book people through May 22nd and give additional resort credit for qualifying bookings. So if you are looking to book a stay at Sandals Resorts and can make that booking by May 22nd, we'd love to help you with that. There is a link in our description to our Contact Us page where you can get in touch with us and we can talk about what you're thinking for your next Sandals vacation.
Okay, Michelle chiming in here to let y'all know how Dan got to St. Vincent in the Grenadines. So because this was a specialty award ceremony for the top agents, they chartered a private plane and then they took private buses to get everybody there. So that's not normally how people would get to the resort. However, from the airport to the resort, it's about a 40-minute drive. Dan and I are both very sensitive to motion sickness, but Dan said even though the road was a little windy, it was super beautiful and not really a problem at all. So if you're concerned about motion sickness, we think you'll be all right here.
So we made it. I've checked into my room. I'm gonna do a full tour of this room and hopefully a couple other rooms in our next video, but let me just give you guys a little sneak peek. The room actually has a full living room area with a TV and a nice cozy seating area. We've got our closets with plenty of storage, a safe to keep your valuables tucked away, a huge tub that has room for two, and then a double-headed shower as well. Overall, it's just a really nice room. Obviously, it's brand new and the quality definitely shows. One of the nicest rooms I've stayed at a Sandals. We've got a foosball table, and then of course this amazing view with a small private pool.
If you've stayed at any other Sandals resort, you might remember that there are cats that often stay on resort and are taken care of there. We love that, we love cats. However, something that makes this resort extra unique is that instead of cats, there are dogs. Dan is totally in heaven, petting all the dogs he can and taking as much footage of them as possible.
For my first night on resort, I ate at Bukan, which actually has local cuisine. It was really great. It was family style, so you didn't have to order anything. They just kept bringing out dish after dish for you to share. It was really one of the best dining experiences at any Sandals resort. Alright, I just showered after dinner, which was amazing. I spoke to the food and beverage director. He was so friendly, so nice, and just really a great concept. But while I was unpacking, I thought, hey, there's a lot of people that ask us about what we pack, so I'm going to show you. So this is what I would pack for 5 days. I did pack more because there's a bunch of activities going on, but in general, I've got a bathing suit. I would usually have 2. I've got 4 pairs of shorts. I've got a workout shirt and 2 pairs of workout shorts. We've got 3 button-up shirts, and I have one that I wore today as well. A rock out cat shirt, just the way around. A couple more t-shirts. These are track pants that I like to wear on the flight. A hat for sun protection. These are linen pants, which are great because you have to wear evening resort attire at a few restaurants at a Sandals resort. Here are some shoes to go along with that. I've got flip-flops. I have another pair as well. Here are 2 carry-on size sunscreens. and a wrinkle release, which, I mean, obviously, I need that. And then I have these like phone protectors, so you can take your phone in the water. And then this is 2 big sunscreens, which will last me a week at least. And then a little bag to take stuff around. So that is a wrap on our first day at S.T.A.R Awards. The full resort tour will be coming out soon. And just remember, if you're interested in that promotion, it ends May 22nd, so feel free to reach out. Our contact information is in the description below. And as always, you can follow us on Instagram at HoneymoonAlways and subscribe to this channel.